I know it's a holiday, but Bert's got people calling, wanting firewood. And I'll be honest with you, he had 3 rick, and we put them at $25 a rick. Now, I grant you, this ain't the best stuff, you know, but man, that temperature dropped down. It was funny, we come home, and the wood was missing out front, and we didn't notice it. And then Tina said, hey, there's your firewood sign. And I looked down, and the guy had put the money in a potato chip bag. Bert's wanting to make some money. I guarantee you, if he had it all cut up and stacked up there by the road, he'd have done sold it this morning. Oh, go to your mama. Gosh. My dog's fluffy. I'll get the oil. You got it?
Yep. Time to start the salt.